A photo on Weibo is making the rounds recently, showing off what looks like the back of the Pixel 4 in 3 different colors. We have already seen both white and black variants a few times, but the photo shows off a new orange colorway, which will probably end up being called Coral, given both the text accompanying the leak and Google's documented use of the name for orange product before. Furthermore, we know the code name of Pixel 4 is Coral, and ever-reliable leaker Roland Cohen recently revealed the XL model is coming in orange. Thus, in all likelihood, this leak is legitimate. The past week, we learned about the potential new camera features including audio zoom, live HDR, better wide-angle selfies, improved night sight, and new motion mode. We also learned about the phone's 8x zoom capability, 6GB RAM and 90Hz display. We further learned about the solely adjusted regional restrictions and likely LTE band support. These smartphones should launch about a month from now, so hopefully there isn't a lot left for us to learn, because otherwise the wait will be so agonizing. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys are interested in tech related videos, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.